Ever wondered how to clean your car's cooling system? Perhaps you've noticed the temperature gauge creeping higher than usual, or maybe you're just keen on keeping your ride in top shape. Either way, understanding how to cleanse your vehicle's cooling system can be incredibly beneficial. Picture this. A car's cooling system, much like the human circulatory system, needs to be free of debris to function at its best. It's a network of passages filled with coolant that keeps your engine from overheating, but over time, this system can become clogged with rust, scale, and other contaminants. Let's delve into the process of cleaning a car's cooling system using a simple yet effective method. This method involves using a napkin, a rubber band, and the return hose of your car. Here's how it works. Firstly, locate the return hose. This is the hose that carries the coolant back from the radiator to the engine. Once you've found it, take a clean napkin and place it securely over the opening of the return hose. A rubber band can be used to fasten the napkin in place, ensuring a snug fit. Next, start the engine and let it run. As the coolant circulates through the system, it'll pass through the napkin on its way back to the engine. Any debris or contaminants will be caught by the napkin, effectively filtering the coolant before it re-enters the engine. After running the engine for a while, carefully remove the napkin. You'll likely notice that it's caught a fair amount of debris, showcasing just how much junk can accumulate in your cooling system. Replace the napkin with a fresh one, and repeat the process until the napkin remains clean after running the engine. Now, you've successfully cleaned your car's cooling system, and it wasn't as daunting as you might have thought, right? The process is quite straightforward and doesn't require any special tools or expensive equipment. Cleaning your car's cooling system in this manner has numerous benefits. It helps maintain optimal engine performance, prevents overheating, and can even extend the lifespan of your vehicle. Plus, it's a cost-effective method that can save you from expensive repairs down the line. So if you've been wondering how to keep your car running smoothly and efficiently, cleaning the cooling system is a great place to start. It's a simple yet effective method that can make a world of difference to your vehicle's performance. And remember, a clean car is a happy car.